Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup in Time with Julia. In today's video, guys, you know the spoon stuff that has been trendy on social media. I have made a video about this using spoon as a curl crease, you know, to easy way to create curl crease. I have made a video about it. I liked it. I said I will do more of this. So I actually on my last video I used a big spoon, which is soup spoon, I will call it. So I said on that video that I will try and use a teaspoon. So today I'm using a smaller version of the spoon. Okay, this is teaspoon. Guys, I tell you, I'm loving this lately. I'm loving this. I really like it. You guys know I like when my makeup is quite loud up here and stuff like that. So this is what I just put together last minute. Decide to put this together. If you want to know how I put this together, what I use for this eye look, the palette I use for the eye look, for what I use for the base, everything, just keep watching. While you are there, guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you on the other side. See ya. Try. Okay guys, let's get started. So I'm just using a Keep It Classy from W7 foundation Huda Beauty, the OG one. So I'll just blend it onto my skin as usual. Okay, I'm still blending. The concealer I'm going to use is going to be SS Revolution. I really want to finish this concealer and this Huda Beauty foundation so I can move on to the new one. Don't want them to just expire in my hand. They're quite expensive stuff, you know. That's why you keep seeing this. Not like I don't have another one. Just want to finish the product I'll be using, you know. Okay. I just want to blend now the area I have, you know, highlighted. So just blending with my wet sponge. I don't know, sometimes I feel like this foundation is a match making in heaven in regards to my skin, but the other one is even better. The new one, the new version of this foundation, that one even match my skin better, I guess. So like I usually do after foundation and concealer, I usually blend it between, use the same brush, foundation brush. So I'm just doing a bit of contouring now. This one is a contour kit from Revolution F15. Okay, this one have like a neutral undertone, while the other one have like a bit of reddish undertone. So I will just blend them, blend and blend and blend. This is how I get my flawless base all the time. Excuse me. This is Dewy Cream Blush from Revolution. I actually, this Dewy Cream Blush, it actually grew on me, like seriously. I love it now. First time I tried, I didn't know what I was expecting, but I actually like it. That day you don't want your blush to be too harsh. The smile there, and Julia. So this is setting powder from our brand, Neutral Light. I absolutely in love with our setting powder. Before the launch, as I was hitting it, like hinting you guys on social media, even here, I'll be using it. It's a full coverage, as you can see. One dip, you dust it out, you still get your full coverage. But if you want to do it, you use your brush. It keep your face matte, no matter what, whether you use your brush or you use your sponge. Extra matte, use your sponge. Dewy matte, semi matte, use your brush. That's the recommendation. They are gorgeous. You guys have seen this. If you be following me for a while, you have seen this. I thought the shade tan I'll be using from our brand has finished. I need to order myself some. I thought this Sasha one is similar to that shade, so I use Sasha to do my whole face. Now I'm using again Revolution bronzer. This shade is called Warm Bronze. Yeah, warm. So this is Roxy S Revolution. I'll call it face palette. Yes, face palette. It have some highlighter going on. I've not tried the highlighter, but that shade seems to stand out to me, so I use that one. Setting spray from Aldi, which is the brand under Aldi called Lacura, or you might say in English Lacure. It is lovely, that setting powder. Revolution Eye Base, I just put it down. So I forgot that I've not done my highlighter. I pick highlighter from our brand, shade Goddess. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Oh, anyway, you can see the results. They are available on our website anyway, www.makeupitime.com. This is Calm Me S Revolution. Like I said, gonna use a teaspoon. So I take that shade, which is a green shade. That is the shade I'm going to use first and see how it goes. So place the teaspoon on my eye. So it actually gave me the core crease effect, I would say. So they usually turn it around, use the handle side to do like a liner or something on your outer V. The result so far is fine. So I need to blend the edges now because I don't want a harsh edges. Then I use that shade to blend in between. Like I would say this is like transitional shade for me. So I will keep blending until I am satisfied. Then I will take that setting powder I used before, which is Neutral Light from our brand. Because of my hooded eye, if I just apply shimmer on a wet base, I'll be a mess. Look at that shade. It's bloody gorgeous. That is the shade I'm going to apply on my eyelids. That is the only shade I am going to use. So applying setting powder is to make my eyeshadow last longer because of course I have hooded eye. Not only hooded eye, is also droopy, you know. So in order for me to get maximum or to make my eyeshadow last all day, I have to do that. I use a blue eyeliner for my waterline. So I will blend it with the green shade I used before I started with earlier on. Then the second shade to blend them out, it will be that kind of red shade, I would say. The mascara I use is from Wet n Wild. Here is the look so far, period. So give me 5 minutes. Let me go and recreate this look off camera. Guys, I am back. Check me out. Core crease, but no core crease. This is absolutely lovely. Let me zoom you in, guys. Let me zoom you in. What do you think, guys? Me, I like this hack. Like I said, I will do it again. Here I am. Oh, guys. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on social media. I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.